Good morning. I am Zishan Vikas 4th standard. On the occasion of Azadi ka Amrit mahotsav, which is 75th celebration of Independence Day. Today, India has shown its strength and capacity all over the world in all fields due to rapid progress of our nation. Dear brothers and sisters, we should be proud to be an Indian because it depends on us. That's why we should work hard in accordance. India should become top of the world. We should work hard because we are the future of bright India. My regards to all on this beautiful occasion of 75th Independence Day celebration, that is Azadi ka Amrit mahotsav. Not only today, it's evergreen. Once again, advance best wishes for 75th Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak few words. Have a good day.